Hey guys, how's it going? This is going to be a little bit of a different video from what I usually do, but I'm going to start a new hobby, which is I collect 118 diecast model cars, because why not? I have some 164s, but 118s are just way cooler, so. This is the 2004 Chevrolet Colorado LS Z71. I bought this model used from eBay. It's a Maisto, I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. So it's the 2004 Chevy Colorado LS. Let's see. It's a 118 scale. So it's pretty realistic. We're gonna start with the front. Oh, this thing does kind of fall off sometimes. This isn't in the best condition, but this car is finished off in a very interesting orange paint color. You do have the front grille with your 3D headlights, and you do have realistic wheels and tires. They aren't branded, but they're off-road, and you do have a spare tire under here. All right, the gas cap doesn't open. And only the front doors open, not the rear doors. Alright, I'm going to try and get a shot of the interior. So it's kind of pretty realistic. It's not the most detailed, but you do have a gauge cluster, which is kind of hard to see. But you do have a realistic interior. Realistic radio and whatnot. Here's the back, where this can stay. It's a little disappointing. And also, when I got this model, I didn't look, but I think this back part is missing. But I'm gonna be showcasing it in the front most of the time, so that doesn't really matter to me. But other than that, it's still pretty nice. You do have an exhaust right over here. And of course, everything is accented, the door handles. No bed liner. It's detailed pretty well. The taillights are also like the headlights. You do have a little bit of scratches, but honestly, those don't really bother me. And it's way less oh, this is just dirt. It's way less noticeable. I think this is actually in good condition. I do like how this model feels. It feels pretty well made. As you can see, there's a rear seat, but it's hard to see, and it does have cup holders. And it's detailed enough to where the seat belts do have the red thing on them. Here's the door panel. I think the mirrors, they don't fully fold, but I think they might be a little loose. If they do, maybe they do fold a little bit, but I don't think this is supposed to happen. They might be loose. That doesn't really bother me because I'm not gonna fold them. Of course, this one, oh, there's a little bit of a minor, oh, that one just wipes off too, doesn't it? Actually, no, maybe not. Maybe that one's just there. Of course, this one does have the pop-out hood. And you do have, it even has a Vortec logo in it somewhere. I do apologize for it being very hard to focus. And my camera just bored out. Alright, it's gonna be hard to get this. But, it's pretty nice and detailed enough. You even have the warning label right over here. Which I'm gonna have to, you can't really get a clear view of it. But you just close the hood. And the suspension does bounce around a little when you push it, but not too crazy. That's pretty cool. Overall, this is a pretty solid model, and I definitely recommend it. And for 40 bucks, I'd say it's a pretty good deal to start my collection.